Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ka jingsio ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu be kandai pra.
Khynnah ban Kyntiew Nongthaiñ Jaiñ bajai Nongshna Jingshna hakni ke jala miglaya Myntri ke tanah jengok kai perthai ke sarkar jala uba polling do ulai thu bo unse kenduk kerpang ya ke Myntri Khynnah jong ke tanah railways and textile ke darshana yardosh ke balawan yuk khujat hakni ke jala miglaya hak sipau terik ujambang arjar apulai hak jinga kran bigilat pathai khubuar uba polling do ubolong ru no aktien jok sarkar jala ulai thu bo unse Pynsngew hakmat ke Myntri ya ke jing.com jeng Nongthaiñ Jaiñ bajai Nongshna tiar nagi kti Khynnah ban Kyntiew ya ke yok ke jongki.
She had an interaction with hand-loom weavers and artisans and also distributed the patient ID card today. And I will be meeting her later in the evening, and this will be courtesy call on the minister and also to highlight some of the issues concerning weavers, artisans and other members who are linked to the textiles industry. So this will be today. Babon hi kalau ngana bangi haban identified ki ba dan interviewing and ki artisan ki jongi dan ki badan ki snom ki ba kendong ha ki ngam aware ya ka jinte kam jong la Department of Textiles su te ban create shwa kata ka awareness ki ba ngina ban reach out chaki ban jo shaki kalau ngala daga jinte ka ki snom but ki nomi kmat ba number can identify haki no snom but ki ba pun ki no ki ba dan like naga jing yo jing support jing shan naga state government. Yes, I will be submitting a formal memorandum to her tonight, and she has already expressed keen interest to support me there. So certainly we will come up with a few of, we'll flag some of these issues. Well, for instance, there are various programs, including a flagship program of the ministry, where some of these are totally funded by the ministry, and some of the programs will have the state share incorporated into it. So those will be points that I will take up with the Union Minister.